Are you tired of constantly having to ask a sighted person to identify or to describe things to you? It's not that you don't want the help, but sometimes you can't help but feel like you're being a bother. Not to mention, sometimes they're just not willing or happy to help. Well, don't worry, I have the perfect app to solve your problems. Be My AI. The newest addition to the app that we all know and love, Be My Eyes. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl the Quinn here, and I'm back with a brand new video. So, as you can guess by the introduction of this video, today I will be doing a review on this latest feature of the Be My Eyes app. And a little later, I will be doing a demonstration with some help from my friend Andre. But hold up, before we get into it, please remember to like the video if you love the content, subscribe if you're new, and to turn on that notification bell to be alerted whenever I post a new video. Also note that the instrumentals for this video have been provided by InnerSanctum Entertainment Ltd. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So before we actually explore this new AI feature, some of you may not be familiar with the Be My Eyes app. Be My Eyes is a mobile app that is designed to assist persons who are blind or visually impaired. The app connects blind or low-visioned users who need sighted support with sighted volunteers or companies from all over the world. The volunteers assist users with tasks that require sight, such as reading labels, identifying objects, picking out an outfit, or navigating surroundings. It basically allows you to borrow a pair of eyes from a random volunteer who is actually willing to help. This is great, especially in situations where you live alone or you don't have anyone around you to help. The app is available on both Android and iOS, and most importantly, it is completely free to use. One thing to note though, you will need an internet connection to use this app. The app is designed in a way that volunteers can assist you in real time using live video. It supports multiple languages and will connect you to a volunteer that speaks your language. Additionally, the app has a user-friendly interface, making it easy for both visually impaired persons and for sighted volunteers to navigate and use it. Lastly, Be My Eyes prioritizes user privacy and security, and they ensure that personal information remains confidential during interactions. These features offered by the Be My Eyes app before this new addition were great. However, there are times when asking a stranger for help isn't convenient or comfortable to you. Now this is where Be My AI comes in. This new feature from Be My Eyes is powered by OpenAI's new GPT-4 model, which contains a dynamic new image-to-text generator. You can simply take a picture from inside the app, which will be sent to an AI-powered virtual assistant, which will describe the image to you. For iOS users, you also have the option to upload an image from elsewhere on your phone. Once it analyzes the image, the description will then be presented in text, which can be read by your screen reader. The AI assistant is also then capable of answering any question that you may have about that image. The main factor that sets this new feature apart from its competitors is the context, with a deeper level of understanding and conversational ability, and you will see this later on in our demonstration. For example, if you send a picture of the inside of your refrigerator, the AI feature will not only be able to correctly identify what is in the refrigerator and where it is positioned, but it can also provide suggestions on what can be prepared with those ingredients. It can then provide some recipes and provide step-by-step instructions on how to do so. If and when the tool is unable to answer a question that you may have, it gives you the option to call a sighted volunteer for assistance. Now it's time to get into the demonstration. But before we get into it, I must note to you The performance of this new AI feature also depends on the quality of your phone's camera. You can't expect to get an excellent description of a picture if the picture is not clear. So please take this into consideration when testing out this app. But let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into the demonstration. Alright, so here we are gonna do the demonstration now. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to actually open the Be My Eyes app. So let me go ahead and do that.
Home screen, page 1 of 2, default page, Be My Eyes.
Now once you're in the Be My Eyes app, you want to ensure that you're on the Be My AI tab. So the tabs are found on the bottom of the screen. Let me make sure I'm on it.
Selected, Be My AI.
Alright, there it is. And you would find this right beside home.
Home. Tap to activate.
Alright, so now let's go from the top of the screen.
Be My AI.
Now let's swipe down.
Take picture button. Tap to activate.
Alright, so this is the button that we're looking for. This is what we're going to use to take the picture for the AI to actually analyze. So let's start out with me. So I'm going to take a selfie of myself, and by default this uses my back camera, right? So I'm going to turn my phone with my back camera to me and double tap the take a picture button. Awesome, so it took the picture and I can see some light, so I saw that the camera flashed, and now I'm waiting for it to analyze. Alright, so the sound is finished, which means it's done analyzing. So let's swipe up to the text.
The picture shows a young woman with braided hair and a headband. She is wearing a pink top and is looking upwards with a slight smile. The background appears to be an interior space with a partially open door leading to another room where a white garment is hanging. There's a mirror reflecting a light source and a striped rug on the floor. The walls are light colored with some small marks or spots.
Alright, so that's a pretty accurate representation. Now let's ask it something more about the picture. So let's swipe down.
Take picture button. Ask more button. Tap to activate.
Alright, now let's press on this button.
English US, QWERTY keyboard shown.
Alright, so now it brings up a keyboard for you to actually type in a question that you want to ask it about the picture. I would really recommend that they add actually a voice input option for this. So because I can't bother to type out the question, I'm just going to use the voice input on my keyboard.
Voice input button.
And I'm going to ask it a question about the image. For instance, I'm going to ask it if I wear glasses.
Please wait, Be My AI. Please wait, Be My AI is writing a message. Be My AI. No, the lady is not wearing glasses.
Alright, so it answered me and said the lady is not wearing glasses. And that's right, I'm not wearing any glasses. Now I'm going to ask it, what is the color of my skin?
Tap to speak. Please wait, Be My AI is writing a message. Be My AI. The lady has a brown skin tone.
And that is also right. Alright, so that is it for the first demonstration. Now let's go ahead and do another. So I'm gonna actually press my back key to get out of this conversation.
Back button. Are you sure you want to end this chat?
Now it's asking me if I want to end the chat. I'll tell it yes. So let's swipe to yes.
No button. Yes button. Please let us know how your overall experience was.
So once you exit, it's gonna ask you for your experience. So I'll just tell them that it was good. So let's swipe down to that option.
I experienced problems button. I had a good chat button.
Alright, now let's look for the take a picture button again.
Be My AI. Take picture button.
Alright, so now I have something, a bottle that I actually found in my cupboard. Now to my knowledge, I know that this bottle either contains turmeric, ginger, or lime juice. So let's take a picture of it and see what comes up. Let's allow it to analyze. Alright, now let's see what the text says.
The picture shows a hand holding a plastic bottle of lime juice. The label on the bottle reads Pure Foods Lime Juice with additional text that is too small to read clearly. The bottle has a yellow cap and the liquid inside appears to be a light yellow color, suggesting it is indeed lime juice. The background is an indoor setting with a tiled floor in shades of gray and beige, and a partial view of a wooden door or cabinet.
Awesome, so a very accurate representation. Now I'm gonna ask it a question. I'm gonna ask it what I can use this lime juice to do. So let's find the ask more button.
Take picture button. Ask more button. English US, QWERTY keyboard shown. Voice input. Please wait, Be My AI is Please wait, Be My AI is writing a message. Be My AI, lime juice can be used for various purposes, including adding flavor to beverages like water, cocktails, or teas. Using as a dressing for salads. Enhancing the taste of fish, meats, or vegetables. Making marinades or sauces. Baking or cooking to add a citrus flavor. Preserving food and preventing browning on fruits and vegetables. Using in homemade cleaning products for its acidic properties. Please note that these are general suggestions, and the specific use may depend on the recipe or personal preference.
Awesome stuff, so quite informative. So here in front of me I have a pair of shoes. It's sneakers and they are gray. So let's take a picture of them and see what comes up. So let's look for the take a picture button.
Take picture button.
And let's go ahead and take the picture. And let's wait for it to analyze.
The picture shows a pair of gray sports shoes with white laces on a tiled floor. The shoes have a white sole and a dark blue logo on the tongue. The shoes are facing upwards and the laces are untied. There is a part of a person's leg visible on the bottom left corner of the image.
Oh wow, so it caught my leg in the picture as well. But yes, so it gave me a good description of the shoes. So you don't have to call a sighted volunteer anymore to ask what color shoes you have. And this works good with clothes as well. So you can get the color of your clothes. Alright, so right now I have my laptop on my leg and my website is actually on the screen. So I'm gonna take a picture of the screen. Well, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna take a picture of the entire laptop and see what it tells me.
Take picture button. The picture shows a laptop screen displaying a webpage. The webpage has a white background with a blue header at the top. In the header, there are 3 icons on the right side, which seem to be for notifications, messages, and user profile. Below the header, there is a large title that says Welcome to Quinn's World with a graphic of a cartoon character next to it. The character is blue with white eyes and a black outline, and it's holding a yellow pencil. Below the title and character, there is a navigation bar with options like Home, About US, Portfolio Shop, and Contact US. The laptop keyboard is visible in the foreground, and the picture is taken in a dimly lit room. The image is rotated 90 degrees to the left.
Wow, so this thing is very accurate. So it described my logo pretty well. The blue character that it spoke about, and it spoke about the different links like the home, the about us, and that there was a blue header at the top of the page. So this thing is pretty accurate. Now let's throw over to Andre for his part of the demonstration.
On iOS, you're able to share photos with Be My AI and have them described. I'm going to share a photo I took and it is in my Photos app, so I'm going to open it.
Photos, Recents, back button.
Alright, so I'm now going to share the photo, so I'm going to go to the share option.
Kingston, edit, live, live, photo choose, share, button.
Double tap the share button.
One photo selected.
And I'm going to choose from the list, Describe with Be My Eyes.
Notes, button, Messenger, Messages, Books, More, Describe with Be My Eyes, button.
Double tap it.
Cancel, button, please wait, Be My AI, please wait, Be My AI is writing a message, Be My AI. The picture shows a man standing outdoors on a concrete floor. He is wearing sunglasses, a bright orange polo shirt, and dark blue jeans. His shoes are dark with white soles, and he appears to be casually posing with his left hand partially in his pocket. To his right, there is a black bag and a green shopping bag resting on a red curb. Behind him, there is a covered walkway with blue pillars, a building with blue trim, and lush green trees. There are a few people sitting in the background. The sky is not visible, suggesting the area is shaded.
Alright, I'm also able to type a message.
Message, text field.
And send it. So that is how you would share a photo with Be My AI on iOS.
So that is it for the demonstration, guys. So as you can see, this app is amazing and it's so extremely accurate. So you don't have to call in a sighted volunteer just to help you with choosing colors for your clothes, making sure that you have the right shoes, right? You don't want to go out wearing mismatched shoes now. Finding items in your fridge, in your cupboard, or maybe even finding items that you have lost. Finding out more about your surroundings, getting help with navigation. This app is awesome for all of this. And as I'm telling you, the accuracy of this thing is amazing. It's much more than anything I've ever seen. For example, late last year, I was in a much older home, and that was the first time I actually tested out this application. The first thing I did was to sit on a bed with my legs hanging off, and I took a picture. At that time, I was wearing the same gray sneakers that I took the picture of today. It told me that I was sitting on something, whether a chair or some piece of furniture, that my legs were hanging off. It told me the color jeans I was wearing. It described my sneakers to me and actually tried to guess the brand of the sneakers. It told me the color of the floor, the color of the wall in front of me, and it actually described the pattern of the sheet of the bed I was sitting on. The next thing I did was to take a picture of a doorway of a room. It told me that it was a doorway to a room, first of all, and it told me that the door was like old chipped wood, which was true. And it told me about the inside of the room. It told me about the pattern of the tile in the room, the beds, the different objects that it spotted in there. It told me the color of the wall, and it actually told me that the wall seemed a bit worn, like it wanted to be painted. And when I asked someone if that was true, they said yes, it was true. The wall actually looked as if it wanted to be painted. It was just simply amazing. So I will give this app a 5-star review. Trust me, it is better than anything I've seen like this before. I know I have demonstrated apps to you guys before that you can use to help you read labels and stuff like this, but this one just goes over and beyond, and it's amazing. I just think they could add a couple more features in there, like adding the share feature, which my friend Andre demonstrated for Android users, and also adding voice input. But overall, as I said, this app is amazing. You guys should go ahead and download it now, whether through the App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android, and have a great time with it. I also want to see your comments down below to see some of the things that you use this app to do and what you think of this awesome app. Also, remember to share it to your friends, because there are a lot of persons out there that don't know about this app, or even if they know about the app, they don't know about the new AI feature. So guys, please be sure to share it out to your friends out there. But that is it for this video, guys. I want to thank you for watching. Please remember to like the video if you love the content, subscribe if you're new, and to turn on that notification bell to be alerted whenever I post the next video. Remember that I love you, and I'll see you next time.